spSlab has built-in tables and reporter modules to evaluate results and create reports. The reporter module can be accessed from within the main program window by clicking the reporter button in the ribbon. Alternatively, reporter module can also be accessed by pressing the F7 key. The reporter module enables the user to view, customize, print, and export reports in different formats. If the model has not been solved, then the reporter module will only contain tables related to inputs. The reporter module will also display the output data tables when a model has been successfully solved. Users can navigate the report using the table of content or by using the Explorer panel. The Explorer panel consists of all the available report items classified into sections and arranged hierarchically. Each item listed in the Explorer panel is preceded by a checkbox. The user can check or uncheck the checkbox to include or exclude individual tables or entire sections from the report. After customizing the report, users can export or print the report by clicking the Export or the Print buttons. The report can be exported in various formats. Once the work in Reporter module is complete, click the Close button in the top right corner to exit the Reporter window. The left panel can be used to navigate between various results options. Users can add any desired diagram from the viewport to the report by clicking on Add to Report command in the Reporter drop-down menu. This can also be done by right-clicking on the active viewport and selecting the Add to Report option. The diagram in the active viewport can be printed or exported directly using Print Export command in the Reporter drop-down menu. The same command is also available in the right-click menu of the viewport. Users can add the diagram directly to the report or export it in one of the listed formats. The reporter will automatically include the added diagram with the specified orientation. Thank you for watching. Please visit StructurePoint.org for more information.